Good morning, and welcome to Day 2 of the 2021 Sakura Days Japan Fair. My name is Danielle Markowitz from the Japan Fair Association of Vancouver, and I am pleased to act as your virtual Master of Ceremonies for this year's virtual festival. We have a number of wonderful virtual activities scheduled on this second and final day of the festival. For a full overview of the festival schedule, please take a look at our website. The videos will be published on our website based on the time schedule for each day. For those who missed the festival yesterday, you can view the performance videos on our website. Please allow me to give a brief overview of today's programming. At 12 p.m. Pacific Time, we have Spring Ocean Breathing by Sakura. This performance by Alcibin Ryuzen Ramos features music inspired by spring using shakuhachi, shinkin, shinobue, and shamisen. Please enjoy the beautiful scenery of Sunshine Coast of British Columbia where Alcibin recorded this video. At 1 p.m. Pacific Time, we have O Karuru, Sakura Forever by poet Soramaru Takayama. This performance features an original poem and music by poet Soramaru Takayama for Sakura Days Japan Fair this year. The title, O Karuru, means Sakura Forever. He wanted to create something everyone can dance to and have fun with, so he came up with a dance move too. Sora's niece in Tokyo took some Sakura shots, which was combined with Vancouver's Sakura to feel our deeper connection with Japan. At 2 o'clock Pacific Time, we have a live workshop, How to Sing Japanese Songs, Sakura Edition, with certified vocal coach Ko. In this 1.5-hour online workshop, Ko will instruct participants how to sing Japanese songs, even for those who do not speak or read Japanese. Learn how to improve your pronunciation and better enunciate Japanese lyrics while also learning basic vocal techniques. Pre-registration is required for this workshop. Please check out the Eventbrite page for more details. At 4 p.m. Pacific Time, we have Life of Sakura by Kishu. Those who have attended our festival in the past are familiar with Kishu, a Japanese calligrapher currently based in Vancouver. This performance is storytelling with a brush and ink. The video will capture the life of Sakura, which is gorgeous but fleeting. Kishu will express its beauty, graciousness, transience, and new life through calligraphy, haiku, and sumie painting. During an unprecedented pandemic, it is important to revisit our lives and appreciate what we have. Please enjoy.